I want to share with you how to get to the atomic learning activity that is going to serve as your exam grade in week 4. So what I want you to do is you will go to weekly content. When you get to weekly content, atomic learning will be here, and you'll click on atomic learning. Once you click on atomic learning, it will bring you here to the Hoonuit site, and here you will put Google Essential or Classroom Essentials. That's this one, and it should pop up. There it is, and you'll be able to see the modules. So there's modules A through F here, and you complete each module. When you're done with the modules A through F, then you will be given a certificate at the end, and it will show your percentage of what you've made, and you'll need to make a screenshot of that certificate, and here's where you're going to upload the screenshot. So once you get the screenshot, you're going to come back here to the class and go inside of weekly content and go down to week 4. When you get to week 4, you can go inside here, and it will show you exam grade for Classroom Essentials for Google. You'll upload your certificate here, and you'll also upload it at TK20 on your TK20 account for EDUC 455. If you don't have a TK20 account, you'll need to contact Miss Kelly Ashworth and provide her with the following information: your name, email, Campbell, student ID, and the class you're taking again, which is EDUC 455. So make sure that you have this assignment done by the 17th. And again, like I said, it will serve as your midterm exam grade. Okay. All right. Thank you so much.